Sherman, that's right. Now, Dr. Jennifer Avegno says that these clusters were formed at two very large gatherings here in our region. She's asking anyone who attended to make sure to get tested to avoid the spread to others.
The city is urging all residents, especially young people, to take immediate precautions to prevent the spread of COVID. Activities that pose the highest risk for transmission are large, uncontrolled gatherings like those that might take place at a traditional party or bar.
Another warning from health officials on the dangers of spreading COVID-19. This time, a message to young people. 2 COVID-19 clusters were identified. One at a New Orleans graduation party, the other at Tigerland bars in Baton Rouge, resulting in about 130 new cases of the virus here in Orleans Parish.
For all of the cases we know about, 7% have resulted in death. So if you are planning an uncontrolled gathering or a party for 100 people, look at that guest list and decide which 7 of them you would be comfortable sentencing to death.
Dr. Jennifer Avegno with the New Orleans Health Department says another issue is short-term properties being rented out for parties.
Let me be clear. Individuals who host such parties and owners that allow these rentals put themselves at risk not only of enforcement, but more importantly of promoting the spread of a known deadly disease.
As numbers continue to rise in our region, leaders urge people to follow the safety guidelines.
You have to be considerate of other people that are around you, so you don't affect them as well, infect them. So I think a lot of people don't think about that. They just think about themselves.
Some people still don't believe, until it really hits home. Then they believe. Me personally, it hit home with me because I had a loved one that died recently from the corona. So I know it's real.
Now, Dr. Avegno did say that if these numbers continue to rise, restrictions placed on public places and businesses that were recently lifted may be reinforced. For now, reporting live from the French Quarter, Shay O'Connor, WDSU News.
Shay, thanks.